Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a cash deposit at a Santander ATM without using your debit card, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get into it. Step 1, go to a Santander ATM that supports cardless deposits. Not all machines offer this feature, so make sure it's labeled Cardless ATM or ask at your local branch. Step 2, open the Santander mobile banking app and log in. Go to the section that says ATM Access or Cardless Deposit. Some regions might call it Generate Code or similar. Step 3. Generate a one-time access code or QR code through the app. This code allows the ATM to verify your account without a physical card. Step 4. At the ATM, tap Enter without card or use access code. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your QR code or enter the access number from your app. Step 5. Once verified, select Deposit and insert your cash bills into the machine. The ATM will count and confirm the amount before proceeding. Step 6. Confirm the deposit, and a receipt will be printed or sent to your email. The funds are usually available immediately or within minutes. Tip: this method may not work for check deposits. For checks, you'll need to use your card or deposit through the mobile app instead. And that's how you deposit cash at a Santander ATM without your card in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more smart banking tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.